Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to connect Xiaomi AirDots on your LG Q6. First of all, need to open your Xiaomi AirDots, and now I have turned off this AirDots, so need to turn on. Press and hold in here and wait until your indicator are blinking white. And now I have a pair mode on this AirDots Xiaomi. So next step, go into the Bluetooth on your LG. And here I get available device, Redmi AirDots 2. Press it, wait until pairing, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.